GoEnglish.tv. The past continuous. When do we use the past continuous? 1.
To describe a continuous action or event in the past.
I was feeling ill yesterday. Katy was cleaning the bathroom all day yesterday. Anna and John were gardening last week. Two.
When one single past event interrupts another continuous event.
To describe the single past event, we use the past simple tense. We can use the word when to introduce the event that interrupts the continuous action.
Brian was cooking dinner when the phone rang. The ship was sailing when the shark attacked.
When you arrived, my boss was shouting at me.
Three.
Something that happened again and again in the past.
When James was young, he was always playing computer games. They were going to the bar every day after work. Mary was visiting the graveyard once a week. Four.
To describe two simultaneous actions in the past.
We can use the word while to connect the two simultaneous actions or events.
John was working hard while Ben was daydreaming. Jack was traveling in Paris while Jane was traveling in New York.